spend the day with me. The seasons are changing and I woke up not feeling great. I'm gonna take it easy today and see where the day takes me. I decided to start pulling down my green sticky tile. I wanted to brighten up the space, and I'm hoping to put a mural on this wall. I read a comment about my renovations, and it said something about how the green tile gave hospital vibes, and unfortunately, I just could not get that comment out of my head. That's the burden with sharing things on the internet, you know? Like, some of those comments just stick. I'm excited though. It's gonna get funky up in here by the time I'm done with it. I went to get my favorite soup. It's got chicken, tomatoes, spinach, onions. It's really soothing and hearty. It's my cure-all soup. There's a really nice grocery store in Oregon called Market of Choice. Most of the time when I don't want to cook or eat out, I'll grab something from their deli, but I try not to shop there too much for everyday groceries because they are kind of pricey. A few weeks ago, I left my skateboard at the brewery. I was meeting a bunch of new nomads and I just left it there. Someone picked it up the next morning and I never found out who picked up my board. So I didn't get it back. My new skateboard just came in. The post office knows me all too well at this point. I'm always picking up packages. Trying out the new board. It's so pretty. Look. It'll never be this pretty again. Setup was so cool with the box truck. I know this video is kind of short, but I have been trying to sort out my electrical, which I'll talk about in another video. Basically, I'm adding a DC to DC charger. Finally, y'all been telling me to get this forever, and I am about to head south, so I'm trying to like wrap up everything here in Oregon before I head out, and I've been socializing. I've been hanging out with people. I just got back from Northwest Nomads, which is like a meetup. Anyways, I filmed some stuff about that, so I'll share that with you guys. Hope you're having a great week. Bye. Okay, next video. Bye.